Let's flip the English classroom. Adjectives. What is an adjective? Adjectives are descriptive words. Adjectives are used to describe or give information about things, ideas, and people. We use adjectives to describe nouns. The most common question an adjective might answer is, what kind of? Adjectives have neither gender, number, nor case in English. The ending of an adjective is always the same. Look at the examples. Robinson Crusoe is a good book. We have some good students. It is all for our good friends. Formation of adjectives. The adjectives are formed from nouns and verbs by adding suffixes. Sometimes we have to make some spelling changes to the word before adding the suffix. We can form adjectives in the following ways: harm, harmful; beauty, beautiful; break, breakable; vary, variable; fun, funny; anger, angry; hunger, hungry; courage, courageous; danger, dangerous; child, childish; gold, golden; nature, natural. Using adjectives in sentences. Most adjectives can be used in front of a noun. Look at the examples. They live in a modern house. We saw a very exciting film last night. There are some beautiful red flowers. We can also use adjectives after a link verb like be, look, or feel. Look at the examples. Their house is beautiful. That film looks interesting. I feel really tired today. Order of adjectives. Sometimes we use more than one adjective in front of a noun. She has a small, round, black wooden box. Here is the most common order of adjectives in English: opinion, size, shape, age, color, region, material. She has a nice big round new yellow French glass bowl. Comparative and separative adjectives. Comparative adjectives are used to compare differences between the two objects. They are used in sentences where two nouns, people or things, are compared. Look at the examples. My house is larger than yours. New York is much bigger than Boston. Your duck runs faster than Jim's duck. Comparison is expressed in the following sentence patterns. John is as old as Peter. John is not so old as Charles. Charles is older than John. Superlative adjectives are used to describe an object which is at the upper or lower limit of a quality. They are used in sentences where a subject is compared to a group of objects. Look at the examples. My house is the largest one in our neighborhood. Everest is the highest mountain in the world. That's the best film I have seen this year. Forming comparatives and superlatives. One-syllable adjectives. Add er for the comparative and est for the superlative. If the adjective has a consonant or a single vowel plus consonant spelling, the final consonant must be doubled before adding the ending. Look at the examples. Tall, taller, the tallest. Fat, fatter, the fattest. Big, bigger, the biggest. Sad, sadder, the saddest. Two syllables adjectives. Adjectives with two syllables can form the comparative and superlative with either er and est or more and most. Here are examples of two-syllable adjectives. Clever, common, handsome, narrow, pleasant, tired, stupid, shallow. Two-syllable adjectives ending in y form the comparative and superlative by changing the y into I and adding er and est. Look at the examples. Angry, angrier, the angriest. Busy, busier, the busiest. Happy, happier, the happiest. Other two-syllable adjectives and adjectives with more than two syllables. Most of these form the comparative and superlative with more and most. Look at the examples. Careless, more careless, the most careless. Expensive, more expensive, the most expensive. Intelligent, more intelligent, the most intelligent. Irregular adjectives. These very common adjectives have completely irregular comparative and superlative forms. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Little, less, the least. Much, more, the most. Many, more, the most. Far, farther, the furthest. Old, older, the oldest. Look at the examples. Today is the worst day I've had in a long time. You play tennis better than I do. This is the least expensive sweater in the store. The sweater is less expensive than that one.